Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video, episode 2 of the tips and tricks. Today is going to be focused more on documentation, but I think you'll find some of the stuff very interesting. I've gone ahead and I've created a calculated field called customer. And basically this is just taking the customer name and making it an uppercase. Well, I want to leave a comment for either myself or for somebody behind me to understand what's going on here. And the way you leave comments is two of these. And I don't want to say backslash because I can never remember which is which. Hit apply or OK. And now when you come back to look at that, what is that formula doing? Oh, it's just used for testing in the video. So we can get rid of that. You'll notice that, so that's tip 1. Tip 2 is you see this customer name here. Now that we are using it in customer, let's come to the default properties and come under comment. I've used this a couple times. And what you can do is you can add formatting, and now you'll see as soon as you hover over this item, oh, don't use that one, use the customer. Okay, so now you've got some warnings to let you know which fields you shouldn't use or you should use. That's tip number 2. The other thing that's I just found this recently and has saved me a lot of frustration. So we have customer name, customer ID, and we also have another item here, a calculated field called customer length. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's just the average. Okay. So come under here and you see customer name, we're just taking the length. If you want to replace all the places that customer name is used, I just bring down this arrow, sorry, and right down to the bottom, it's replace references. Okay, and now you can tell Tableau which field you want it to be replaced by. And I've created a calculated field, and so I'm saying everywhere there's a customer name, replace that with customer. Click OK, and you'll notice that this changed to customer. This changed to customer. And if you had filters or quick filters, the word places that doesn't work is if you've done something in the edit shelf where you've called out a specific field. That could cause problems. You'll just have to double check on that. The other place that you'll run into problems is if you're doing blending of data under your data, under worksheets, if you're bringing in a different data source, you'll have to re-blend using this new field. So that's item number 3. What we're going to do is if you see a field and you're like customer name, length, you've edited, you don't understand what's going on, you can see hide is grayed out, but you can also do delete. Now if you select delete, it'll come up with a warning saying, hey, it's used on sheet 5, or it's used in this many calculated fields in this sheets. And then you can start treeing down to figure out where that field is being used and if it really is necessary. Now what you can do, we've done delete, that's for a calculated field. This says do not use, so let's hide that, right? And so now that's hidden. And so you can't use it anymore. So you'll always have to use customer. All right. And how do you unhide it? Under this little arrow here, show hidden fields, and it's grayed out. And to get it back, you just left click and you click unhide. Now the other item we were going to do is about filters, quick filters. Oh, this is a huge one. We're going to show this as a filter. I use this on all my quick filters. If you had, right now what you do is if you click Berlin, it automatically reprocesses it, or applies it. If you have a long list and you've got a complicated visual, you might not want all of them to show. To get rid of all of them, you have to do this, and if you just want Hess, Okay. Come up under here, under the filters, go under customize, show apply button. This is huge. And now you'll see there's a cancel and apply. Slide it. Okay, do you want nothing hidden? Hit apply. And now you can select just a couple, hit apply, and it only processes once. You want to clear those, hit all, and now you select two different ones, apply, or you can, obviously uncheck them and just picks a couple other ones. So there's your 5 tips. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have some other tips you'd like me to use or if you'd like to share. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and that little bell to let you know when the new videos are dropping.